Rusia este bănuită că a bruiat radarul avionului cu care șefa Comisiei Europene a zburat în Bulgaria, o spune chiar un purtător de cuvânt al Executivului comunitar. Acuzația vine după ce un atac suspectat că ar fi fost lansat de Rusia a dezactivat serviciile de navigație GPS pe aeroportul din Plovdiv. Avionul, care o transporta pe Ursula von der Leyen, a fost nevoit să aterizeze folosind sistemul clasic de orientare cu hărți pe hârtie.
There was GPS jamming, but the plane landed safely in Bulgaria. We have received information from the Bulgarian authorities that they suspect that this was due to blatant interference by Russia. We are, of course, aware and used to somehow to the threats and intimidations that are a regular component of Russia's hostile behavior. Of course, this will only reinforce even further our unshakable commitment to ramp up defense capabilities and support for Ukraine. This incident actually underlines the urgency of the mission that the President is carrying out in the frontline member states these days. There she has seen firsthand the everyday challenges of threats coming from Russia and its proxies. And of course, the EU will continue to invest into defense spending and in Europe's readiness even more after this incident.